Is that what you say to them?
Hello, hello. Go. Welcome back. Happy Monday, everybody. Let's start copying this down. New lesson, angles. I'm happy to announce we are over 100 subscribers. So good job to you guys. Keep spreading the word, and we're gonna be famous before you know it. What's up, Samantha? How we doing today? New lesson, angles. So wait for some more people to come on, and we will get going with today's lesson, which is parallel lines cut by a transversal. So this is going to be key for probably this whole entire week. So make sure you copy this down, and then I'm going to go over, there's 4 types of angles that are formed, and I'm going to go over them, give you definitions, write some things down, and it's basically it today. All right, what's up, Diana? And another thing, I have a huge announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned the whole video, get the whole lesson down, and at the end, I got a very, very big announcement, which I'm very excited to share with you guys. So I think you guys will be excited about it as well. You guys see it pretty good, right? You're not home? That's all right. At least you're here. Also, big shout out to our principal, Mr. Matera. He is grabbing my big whiteboard that I usually put the learning target on. So I'll have that tomorrow up and going. So I'll have a nice big whiteboard, so it'll be a lot easier to see and everything. So that should be pretty good. All right. Can you guys see the writing okay? It looks pretty good today. Got some good lighting. All right. Like I said, guys, we are over 100 subscribers as of right now. So let's keep it going. That's it. We're gonna blow up. It's the plan, right? So one more minute and I'll get it going for the people that are here. New people that just got on the stream, please just copy this down. This is really important. The topic of lesson is 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. So hey, Jaylene, what's up? What's up, guys? Christina, how we doing? Yes, I love Monday math too. What's up, Miss Massaro? You guys all see that okay? All right. People that are late, that's going to be reflected in your grade, but that's here nor there. People that made it on time, you're already at a 10 for classwork. I have a big announcement at the end of this YouTube video, so make sure you stay the whole time. Very big announcement I think you guys are going to be very excited about. Yeah, girls are dominating the boys right now. Ready? Can't see the numbers. All right, so I want to zoom up close so you guys can get the numbers. Good morning, JL. How we doing? I'm going to zoom up close so that you guys can copy the numbers down. It's pretty easy. It's going to be like, this is going to be standard, these parallel lines. So let me just get closer to you guys so you can see the numbers. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are my 8 angles. And I'm going to show you exactly what those are, all right? So got that down. Just goes right in order, so it's not that bad. All right. All right, so here we go. So we got, it's called angles. That's going to be our topic for the next week, probably 2 weeks. Right here we have 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. So what's a transversal line? A transversal line is a line that intersects 2 lines at 2 distinct points on the same plane. So this is a transversal, and just like I said in my definition, why is it a transversal? Because it is intersecting 2 lines here at 2 points, which is each line on the same plane. So that's a transversal line, and when you have a transversal line, it forms 8 angles. From these 8 angles, what we're going to do is we're going to form the angles, which I'm going to give you definitions. So make sure for today, I'm just going to go over the angles it forms, and you got to make sure you memorize these, guys. That's the only way you're going to understand these. And it's important because wait till about probably Thursday. We go from basic angle stuff, very easy the first couple days, to all of a sudden we're back in equations. Somehow, some way, guess what these angles are going to relate to? Writing more equations. Let's do it. All right, so we got corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles, they lie on the same side of the transversal, but so they lie on and transversal, guys, is going to be just T, so I don't have to write it every single time. So now you know, T, transversal T. So they lie on the same side of the transversal, and here's a little trick to help you memorize what a transversal is. Transversal, Mr. Barr is on his way to my observation. Well, this is going to be an A+, highly effective lesson, right, kids? Come on, tell Mr. Rios. So an easy way to remember transversal is it's on the same side. Remember that it's on the same side of this transversal, but it's 1 in, 1 out. 1 in means 1 inside, interior, and 1 out, exterior. So write that. Right? 1 in and 1 out. So 1 in, 1 out. What does that mean? Angles, here's an example. Angles 1 and 5. That's the angle size. 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Because if you look at it on that plane, angle 1 is on the outside, guys. Look, it's the exterior. It's on the exterior. Up here is also exterior. It's on the outside, right? Interior is like inside the parallel lines. Like kind of think of it as a sandwich, right? These are the 2 pieces of bread, right? So this is the inside, right? Inside the sandwich. This is on the outside of the sandwich. So you have 1 angle on the outside, 1 angle on the inside, okay? So it's going to be 1 and 5, and those are known as corresponding angles, okay? And now be careful, guys. 1 and 3 aren't corresponding because they're right next to each other. And next to, we'll learn tomorrow, is kind of adjacent. So those are adjacent angles. So it's completely different angles. So think of it like this. It kind of skips over. So it's 1 and 5. And if you're thinking about this at home, there are way more corresponding angles. 2 and 6, 7 and 3, 8 and 4. All right? So those are my corresponding angles. All right? Next, we have, after corresponding angles, we have alternate. Lower this. You ready? Alternate. Ooh. alternate interior. And those are very easy. What's alternate interior angles? Notice everyone's very, thinking about this. Alternate interior, you're inside, right? Inside the parallel lines, inside the sandwich, think of. Inside. You're inside, alternate means what? So, inside, opposite T. What's T, guys? Transversal, okay? What's the example? Inside, it can only be between 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the only angles on the inside, okay? So what are my alternate interior angles? 3 and 6. Okay? 4 and 5. Opposite the transversal, okay? We're always going opposite the transversal because that transversal is key, all right? It's what is kind of separating everything here. It's the line that goes through the two parallel lines, okay? So we have alternate interior. What else do you think we're gonna have? Alternate, I'll get one more down here. Alternate exterior. And guys, guess what's gonna be here? Legit the opposite. It's gonna be alternate is opposite transversal. So you're going on opposite sides of the transversal, but instead of going in, we're gonna be where, guys? Outside. So what are the outside angles? It's either between 1, 2, 7, 8, but it's opposite this line, transversal line. So it's gonna be 1 and 8. Okay, 2 and 7. I'll put that down. Those are also alternate exterior. So these are outside, opposite T. Okay, opposite the transversal. Okay. So we have corresponding angles. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. Now, one thing I need you guys to copy down, very important, is what? All of these right here are equal. Okay? They're equal. So all of these right here. So somewhere, wherever you want to put it, I'll put it all down here. These are all going to be equal. And I'm not going to go into detail today about that. Just want you to know they're equal. Tomorrow, the next day, I'm going to start putting numbers in there. Just know that when you have one of these 3 types of angles, they're equal. And what is equal, guys? We all know it. It's the same. Okay? So if you're trying to find a missing angle measure, which we're going to be doing in the future, few days, you know that if you have one of these 3 angles, if you're looking for a missing angle, and it fits this criteria of a corresponding angle, it's going to be the same exact measure, okay? So don't worry if you're late. If you guys are just tuning in, I have the worksheets on my site with all this information. I just kind of want to explain it to you guys first, and you can go back and read it and go over it, memorize it, because I'm just going over the angles today, and that's it, okay? We'll deal with more stuff tomorrow. Mr. Barr, how are we doing? Everyone, please give a big shout out to Mr. Barr joining our live stream. It's great to see you in here. Hopefully you enjoy and learn a little something today. This is awesome. So alternate exterior, I have one more angle to go over with you, and those are consecutive angles. So Valerie, I'll tell you where to get the worksheets right after this at the end of the video. Alba, your name is right now. All right, so I'm gonna switch this. Guys, don't worry, if you didn't get this all down, I just kind of want to explain it to you guys so when you guys go read this on your own, the worksheets, you'll be able to kind of do it on your own. All right, so let me just switch my board here. My mom's not gonna be happy when I peel the paint off the wall. All right. I will link my site in the description after this video. So everything will be in the description below. Make sure you turn on post notifications, subscribe. Merch will be coming soon. That will be in the description, all right? All right, www.youtube.com/cornellsmath/merch. That will be soon. All right, so last one I want to go over, guys, and we're basically going to wrap it up. You guys are going to kind of go practice. I'll tell you exactly what the homework and everything is. Consecutive angles, last one. Guys, consecutive angles, easy. Consecutive mean right after each other. 1, 2, consecutive. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Consecutive angles, same side interior. Okay? Same side interior. Let me put this back up. So consecutive angles, it's inside, right? Look, 3 and 4, consecutive. 4 and 6, consecutive. Okay? 3, 4, was that 3, 4? 3, 5, sorry, 4, 6, consecutive. So 3 and 5 are consecutive, as in 4 and 6. So if you write that down, angles 3 and 4. And guys, you know what's crazy about consecutive angles? Okay? Consecutive angles aren't equal like I just talked about the other 3. Consecutive angles are special because guess what they do? Angle 3 plus angle 4 will equal 180 degrees. So if I have consecutive angles, here's a little quick little thing you can do in your head right now. If I have consecutive angles, right? Say angle 3 measures 60 degrees. What will be the measure of angle 4? Very good, Diana. 120 degrees. Good job. Because 120 plus 60 is a total of what? 180. So good job. All right. So we have corresponding angles. How to remember that? Same side of the transversal. We got 1 in, 1 out. That's correspondent. They are equal. They are the same. We have alternate interior. It's inside the sandwich. Inside, so it's like inside the 2 pieces of bread here. The 2 parallel lines act like bread. Alternate, okay? Opposite sides of that transversal. Those are alternate interior. They're also the same. Alternate exterior, they're on the outsides of the parallel lines. Opposite transversal, they're also the same. And we just did consecutive angles. Guys, so basically that's all I really want to go over today. I want to go over those angles because that's what we're going to specifically use this year, all right? And for the next few days. Now, important. 3 things now I want to go over. I have one extremely excited announcement to make that, Tatiana, don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to tell you exactly how you're going to figure this out. This is mostly memorization, guys. So I just showed you it as a little just kind of, you could go back in my video, rewatch it, but you're going to read up more on this, which I have a worksheet for you guys. You guys got to read it, memorize it. That's like kind of the only way you're going to get this. Yeah, so alternate exterior just means that they're opposite the line, that transversal line that cuts it, okay? All right? So, who's Nikki? All right, so my Google site, all right, guys? When you go on that Google site, you will, I'm going to pull it up on my phone so that you can see it. When you go on my Google site, right, everyone should have it linked. If not, I will link it in the description for you guys, okay? I will link it for you guys to be able to see that. You're going to go to, it's called the angles, right? Under the angles subheading, you're going to print out or click that first number, number 1. It's called angles cut by transversal packet. That number 1, click it. It's going to open up. I think it's like a 14-page packet. That's for this whole week. You are to focus on pages 1 through 4. 1 through 4. Pages 1, 2, and 3, literally just 1, 2, and 3 are just what I just taught. They go over every single angles in detail, okay? So read those 1 through 3, understand what those angles mean, which ones are the same, which ones aren't. Page number 4 is what you're doing tonight, okay? Or today, right after this. Page 4, you're gonna do that worksheet. It's just going through different types of angles. You're writing the correct angle name. That's all you're doing. Don't worry. So everyone has my Google site, right? I'll link it. I will send it right now. My Google site, you will go to the, obviously angles is what we're doing now. And the number 1, just click that one and it'll have the packet that we will be working on. Make sure you read through the first 3 pages. The first 3 pages, there's no work. It's literally just going over exactly what I was just doing. Just read it. You don't have to print it. Don't worry. And then, listen, Jaylene, it's not a big deal if you can't print it, because what's great about these packets is that you can read them right on your phone, or if you have a computer, read them on your computer. And then the page 4, you don't even need to print that, because it's just, you'll see, it's just going to ask you like this. You ready? Angle 1, angle 5. Is that a 5? Yeah. It's going to say this for the worksheet. Angle 1, angle 5. What type of angles are they? Correspondent. That's it. Okay? Angle 4 and angle 5. What type of angle is that angles? Angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. That's all you're doing here. So there's my Google site. Okay? You will go on that site. Obviously click Math 8, guys. Not that hard. You guys are good on packet. Pages 1, 2, and 3. Read it. It's what I just said. Page 4, quick little worksheet for you to do. All right? Thank you, Mr. Barr. Appreciate that. Gotta love Mr. Barr. All right? So that's what you guys are gonna do tonight, all right? So guys, just go through that, read it. You guys can always rewatch this video. So rewatch this video. I go through every angle, what it is. Now, very excited to announce this. 1, thank you guys all who come on here that listen. You guys are really trying hard, and it doesn't go unnoticed. It's going to be reflected in your grade, I promise. This is the new norm right now, guys. It is what it is. So we are over 100 subscribers on the channel. Like, let's go. We're growing fast. Okay. So people that share my YouTube link, right? Put it on their Snap story, whatever you do, get the word out for the 8th graders to join my YouTube channel. Diana started it, right? She snapped it. Then she sent me the picture on Remind, right? Because you could send me the picture on Remind if you post on your story. If you do that, if you link my description and like whatever you got to do, like screenshot it and then post it to your story, and then you screenshot that and send it to me on Remind, I'll give you guys a free 100 on a test. You guys get that? A free 100 on a test. Having you guys putting it on your Snap story of subscribing to my channel. All right, simple as that. So Diana kind of got the ball rolling here. She started it. So if you guys do that, send me a picture. Ronald, don't worry. I'll hook you up, bro. I know you have Miss Otto, right? So I will reach out to her. Okay? Yeah, Alba, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. I greatly appreciate it. This is going to be fantastic. Now, this is the exciting part. There's a way for all of us to kind of video conference and get in this conference that we can all see each other. We can kind of talk, we can hang out, we can kind of socialize. I think we should kind of incorporate that into these lessons, right? I think it'll be better for us to see each other. I won't have to just keep looking at this chat door. It's kind of like we're all just sitting in class, but rather be in class, we're kind of just through the video screen, right? Through the technology, through the internet. So this is what I want you guys to also do for homework. In order to be able to kind of like do this kind of like FaceTiming, but it's through a better app, what I need you guys to do is, I'll show you, is everyone, if you can, please download, if you're using your phone, it works on your phone, don't worry, I'm gonna give you the exact steps what to do. Download the Zoom app. And the Zoom app is this icon right here. It's this one. Bam. See that Zoom? That's what it looks like when you go to the App Store and type in Zoom. It's the first one that comes up at the App Store. It's this one. It says Zoom. It looks like that. You don't need to make an account. The only thing you need to do is just download it to your phone. Okay? Now, when you Zoom is a bad guy in the flash, yes. So when you download it, right, just have it on your phone, because then tomorrow we can try it out. Once you guys kind of got it, looked at it, I will tomorrow in this chat after we do the lesson tomorrow, I will send you my, it's basically you join a chat, you join a video, whatever, a stream. When you do it, you join a, let me see what it is. Oh yeah, it's just like this. When you go in the app and you open the app, it says this. Gotta focus. There we go. It says join a meeting. You guys don't need to sign in. You're just gonna click join a meeting for when we do this tomorrow. I'm gonna give you the meeting ID number. You guys type that in, and then bam, 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 bam. We're all gonna be live together. So I think it'll be something kind of pretty cool. We can kind of incorporate that. If it works out, that's a better way of teaching, we'll do that. If it's a way for us just to get together, say hi, ask me questions, that's something else we can do, right? It's just a different thing. So that's what I kind of wanted to let you guys know. So I think that would be pretty fun. What do you guys think? Think that's a good idea or what? Yeah, so Catherine, it's like a group FaceTime. You just got to download the app. It's called Zoom, okay? So download that app if you guys can. It looks like this when you download it right there. That's the one, Zoom. Okay, that's what it looks like. So awesome. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. Like I said, we can get as many people in on it too. I think we can get up to like 50 people. So I mean, right now we have like 24, 25 people watching. Well, tomorrow we're gonna do our normal 12 o'clock live stream. We gotta do the lesson tomorrow. Normal 12 o'clock live stream. I will tell you the code tomorrow to join. All right. So just download the app. That's all you have to do. Don't worry about anything else when it comes to Zoom. Just download the app and we'll just give it a shot tomorrow. See if it works. Still same time tomorrow, 12 o'clock every single day. We're at 100 subs, a little over it. Let's keep that going. People have been sharing it on their Snapchat story. Guys, if you send me that screenshot, send it to me on Remind. 100 test grade. Guys, big. This is really big. All right. So please make sure you do that. All right. So that's basically it. Make sure you go to my site. Do angles, do the packet. Whoops. Make sure you do the packet. 1 through 3 goes over what I just talked about, and page 4 is what you're doing today. All right. A ghost. I know, Valerie's a ghost. All right. So what do you guys think? Nikki, who's Nikki? Nikki, what's your name? State your name. The paint on the wall. I know. Mom's not gonna be happy. Oh, who's got the first 100? It's coming through. Bam. Samantha. You guys like that thumbnail I made? Guys, I'm next level. I made that thumbnail. I'm basically a YouTuber. I might start vlogging. I don't know. I might do a daily vlog for you guys. Who knows? It might go crazy. All right. All right, cool. Nikki, Nicole, perfect. So Nicole, my site was down there. So you can go on my site, look at that packet. Yeah, so tomorrow, get Zoom. It's the app. We'll try it tomorrow. See if we can all get live together. I think it'll be pretty cool. I appreciate everyone that's here right now. Let's keep it up. Make sure, if we do Zoom, does that mean you're not going live? No. I will be going live on YouTube every day at 12 o'clock because it saves to my channel, and I got to grow my channel, guys. Listen, teaching doesn't work out for me. I need a new career, and YouTube might be it. So we're keeping my YouTube channel. I'm doing YouTube live every 12 o'clock. This Zoom thing is just more of maybe we could try it out and just do it after our session so we can kind of see everyone. We could talk. We can just kind of just see how everyone's doing. That's more of like that aspect, all right? Because I think it's important for us to keep trying to like hang out and talk because I missed it, guys. I miss you guys. Miss teaching. It's kind of a bummer, but we're going to make the most of it. And Jaylene, to get 100, Alba, if you go on your Snap story and do this is what they did. Post that, send me a picture that you posted on your story, free 100, all right? So if you post that on your story, you get a free 100. My remind, yes. My remind is, it's on my website. If you go on my website, Valerie, it's the first thing on my website. So go on my website. Here's my remind code, Valerie. I added a link too. Yes, Alba added the link. Let's go. I got you. Can you give me the remind? Let's do it. Guys, all right? We're going to viral. So I think I might wear my first piece of merch tomorrow to give you guys a little taste of what I'm going to make, all right? I'll definitely do a fishing channel in the summer. Yeah, shout out Mr. Cornell. Guys, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for post notifications so you know every time I post, every time I go live. Make sure you go to my Google site. Go to Angles, number 1, click that. Pages 1, 2, and 3, please read. Page 4, due tonight. I will give you answers tomorrow when we see each other live at 12 o'clock once again. And who's the next person? Catherine Chiviaria is, bam, another 100. There we go. This is great. Miss her posted hers up in the comments. So go up in the chat, in the thread. All right. So you guys good? Any more questions? All right. Make sure you guys do that. All right. Pages, Angles, number 1. Pages 1, 2, and 3. Read it. Goes over every angles and try page 4. 4 is just naming the angles. Okay. So please do that. Hold on. Thank you, Mr. Horrigan. How you doing? Shout out. Tomorrow I have a sick whiteboard, big whiteboard. I got some LED lights coming to make the stream a lot better. So we're gonna do well here. This video is getting a little long now, 35 minutes. Miss Hurd, what's your remind? Hurry up. So guys, how do you guys want to sign out? I feel like I need a sign out every time to keep it consistent like the YouTubers do. So what should that be? Oh, everyone's posting. There's gonna be a lot of hundreds. A lot of grades are gonna skyrocket. All right. So make sure you guys do that tonight. Tomorrow, I will have those worksheet answers. We'll go over it more tomorrow. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And I'll catch you guys back here tomorrow, 12 o'clock. And guys, stay well. Good job. Thanks, everyone. I need Astro. Once again, have a good day. Same time, same place, 12 o'clock. Peace. There's always sky. Rest your head. I'll take you high.